Man, them money ready? Yo, YouTube, we're back in the place. Part 4. I which episode today? Episode 4. I don't remember how we there, you know. But we're there now, back in a Maypen. This is our last day in a Maypen. We are going after this. We hope to give it a 5 grand. We hope to give it 10 grand. All 15 grand more and give it in our place. People them just need to get it right. Right now we are looking for a victim them. 1 TK the back of the camera. Follow him on the Instagram, see it over here. So I hit that over there, so though. I hit that. Follow him on TikTok, see TikTok over here, so. Mad. Watch you know. We start the video now, you know. We jump straight tonight. TK, what you say? You want to try? Aye. Them no want to try. Forward, take a walk with me. Somebody with the brightest girl in Maypen right now. Our friend them on iPad up as she had the brightest thing. Why you just introduce yourself and shout out your socials?
Hi, my name is Shan. My TikTok is bodyt_Shan and my Instagram is the same thing.
Boom boom, one boom boom.
One sinner on Insta. Scholars school, man.
My name is Tiny.
Joshua.
Akim.
Sakara.
My name is Lee. Follow me on Gram at Lee Muskama.
Why see that underscore JJ on Instagram? Search me.
Oh!
Somebody! Oh!
He needs some milk!
My name is Chris Annie.
William Akim.
We now shout out TikTok or you good?
Not a TikTok.
Kim Turu J.
Jada.
Alright, she don't have no name. Okay. Competing to win $5,000. 3 simple questions. First question. I have cities but no houses. Mountains but no trees. How are you going to say? Alright, new question then. We'll switch it up then. What goes up but never comes down?
Elevator.
And what goes up and never come down?
Elevator.
I would say elevator.
Mix.
What goes up and never comes down?
Edge.
So it takes a long to say it.
Come in, sure enough things go up and come back down.
What goes up and never comes down?
Age. Age.
Your age.
Age. Your age.
Age?
Age.
You can't sure no? You sure? Alright, one that today. Second question. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Words.
Words?
Yeah.
So words disappear as you say it?
You say it and it gone.
But we are say it right now and we hear the words them same, right?
You hear it,
But it not disappear.
Words. Hold on.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Words.
Words?
Mm-hmm.
But we are say words now, it not disappear.
So wait I do.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
What?
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Disappear.
No.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
What disappears as soon as I say it? As soon as I say it disappears.
Yeah.
They say what disappears as soon as I say it?
Yeah.
Words.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Money.
So explain that to me, baby.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
I don't know that one I ask man different one.
Hold on. Yo, stop it.
Oh, sorry.
Stop it, man. Alright, hold on. Come on, man.
What you say, Machi?
You know, say words look well.
Words me here too only say now. What you say?
I may have
Hold on.
like this.
Yeah, words.
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 What you say?
I work with my team.
Y'all work with the team.
Words.
Y'all work with the team.
Words.
What wanted to say team wrong?
No, me not like this. Me not love it.
Make you one more chance.
Yeah.
What disappear as soon as you say it?
What disappears, Susan?
Yeah, as soon as you say it. What you say?
Words.
Words? No, that wrong.
What disappear after
Yeah.
me say it?
Yeah.
Words. We don't know that one. Skip that one.
Ah, wait. Let me think about it. As soon as you said this, the word in my mind.
Alright, what's that up? What disappear as soon as you say it?
Yeah.
Dots.
What you say?
Word ear me.
Ear?
You can't say here.
May I go to one more chance?
What disappear as I say?
What disappear as soon as you say it?
Disappear.
Soon as we say
Words.
words.
Words. Positive. That wrong, you know.
Oh, you're wrong.
That wrong, brother. One more
That joke
chance.
thing in the fire, brother.
One more chance.
Alright.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Brother, the answer in my question, though.
Or the question, not the answer.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What disappears as soon as you say it? Alright, last chances.
Say question again.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
As soon as we say it.
Oxygen.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
What disappear as soon as I say it?
Yeah.
The one they oppose me.
Yo. That's a dopey dog.
Idiot, brother, no.
Same as
What disappears
As
as
soon
soon as you say it?
Yeah, the last chances, you know.
Oh God.
Think about it, you know.
You tell me no dog. Come in, give me
Yes,
some
sir.
intelligence, you know.
As soon as I say it.
Alright.
Yeah.
What disappears as soon as you say it?
Money live, the money live.
It. It.
Don't waste my time.
What disappears as soon as you say it? How time go? How much? 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Here. Up here. That wrong, you know. Silence. What disappears as soon as you say it?
Silent.
The answer is silence. Alright, last question. 3,000, 5,000 up on the line. Watch your style.
So you know you don't have no money.
Emotional, damn it.
If a red man live in a red house and a blue man live in a blue house, who live in the white house?
White man.
White man.
What white man?
White man.
White man. White man.
White man.
White man. White man, dog. White man.
No, you can't say it, so brother, you're an idiot.
If the red man live in a red house, the blue man live in a blue house, who live in a white house?
My white man. Who?
Who?
Listen again. If the red man live in a red house, the blue man live in a blue house, who live in a white house?
I guess it's so easy.
Who only said that?
Alright, the black man living in a White House.
You are something else. You know that? You are something else.
Jesus, God.
What do you mean by that?
If the red man live in a red house, blue man live in a blue house, who live in a white house?
I mean,
You live in a white house.
the White House me live in a brother.
We don't care. Let me tell you. We don't care.
The answer is the president. The president live in the White House.
No one white man. What is going on? Happy one white man. There's a blue and a blue house, red and a red house. So the white man.
You want to try again? Are the president living in the White House? Them say are the brightest girl. I don't know. I'm not sure. If a red man live in a red house and a blue man live in a blue house, who live in the White House?
Donald Trump, President of America.
If a red man live in the red house and the blue man live in the blue house, who live in the White House?
Red man in a red house, blue man in a blue house, who live in a White House? The president. Me tough dog.
Mad.
Me tough dog.
If the red man live in a red house, blue man live in a blue house, who live in the White House?
In the White House.
Jump. Jump.
You laugh, you talk about it right.
Jump.
If the red man live in a red house, blue man live in a blue house, who live in a White House?
The president. Actually, that.
Yeah, we come back to it.
No, actually, that.
Y'all win.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
so,
one.
pack up your money.
Have a nice day, okay?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Pack up your go to where you put me up for fear. Oh, me pass to God, them be answer.
Yo, more big up Breakfast Entertainment and them make the video possible. One Breakfast Entertainment, one me a pen, you know what that go. Mad. Yo, YouTube, we're back in our place again. Episode 7 with it. I don't even know what we're there now, bro. But we're there back in a me pen. I now left until we give it $5,000 more. We'll find one more winner. You see me do me intro. 1 TK the black of the camera. Instagram the on the left. What the on the right? TikTok the on the right. Bro, you have so much socials, I don't even know where you're on. Just go follow my dog, 1 TK, the black of the camera. Follow 1 duttyboiilee. Right now we are going in the streets and see if we find nobody. TK, which way we are going? Up the road? Forward.
You say no DMS music, you know, on YouTube, you see? TikTok, you know, so DMS we're living here. One prayer for love. Hands up.
So there with the brightest girl in the pen.
Don't believe him, guys.
Ready for win $5,000. Where you say 10K? Yeah, double it for him. 10K for the G. Why you introduce yourself, bro?
Name what John?
The car 6.
On Instagram, Ashley, low caps, Ashley _2 crazy.
On TikTok, they _8 bubbles. On gram bubbles that _that one la.
I'm Shantavia.
Nakishan. J Frost for all platform. Kanji _2 for all platforms. Any Rajay on TikTok and IG.
Jay-Z me TikTok and IG.
T Frost on TikTok and IG. Chat me name Adiva here.
Name one slim doll for IG.
MJT.
I want Mal.
Chloe, Instagram, that girl Chloe.
First question. How many months have 28 days?
February.
Wait. Repeat the question. How many months have 28 days?
February.
So when you say on the bride,
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Now we start it off easy. How many months you have 28 days?
February.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
How many months have 28 days?
February.
February.
But me say two. Me say it set time.
And then the draw.
Set
And
time.
then
Me
me
say
come
it right.
Fully done.
How many months have 28 days?
1.
And
How many months have 28 days?
February.
Where you say?
February.
February.
How many months?
Listen again, you know. How many months have 28 days?
28. Yeah. February. And February. Destiny. How much months have 28 days?
February.
wait a minute. Wait a minute.
March.
February.
May I give you one more chance?
February.
How many months have 28 days?
1 month.
Yeah, February. What want to say?
February. What no say? February. Me say no man.
Supposed to say that wrong.
No, February. January.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
January.
January.
Something like that.
Let's take question again. How many months have 28 days?
And February. How much months have 28 days? Exactly, February. How much months? You think me are at 28 days? I'm February. And February. This may come help me. And February.
February.
Yeah. Hey, don't ship online, no?
May I ask you again? How many months have 28 days?
How many months have 28 days? How many months have 28 days? How many months? Wait, ask me again.
How many months have 28 days?
The bag upset me though, but I.
Tumbag. DK, one tumbag.
You're not cute. I'm sorry, but how many months? How many months? No months now after. Wait, ask the question again.
Wait, so none of them?
No, ask the question again.
How many months have 28 days?
How many months have 28 days? How many months have 28 days? Yeah, that don't make no sense. You stupid.
Oh, it don't make no sense.
How many months have 28 days? Say it again, call me brain now words. Like one more time.
Yo, me not understand. You good?
Alright, say it again.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
One last time.
Alright.
How many months have 28 days?
How many months have 28 months? How many months have 28? No months have 28 days.
You serious?
All of them have 28 days.
No? Oh yes, well I'm on them have 28 days for true.
How many months have 28 days?
All of them.
How many months have 28 days?
12.
No, girl, I get 12. 1.
It's actually 12.
And me get it right. 12.
And you laugh off your friend?
Yeah, me get
Have
it
28
right.
days?
Yes, 12.
Second question. Why you tell me 4 days of the week we start with the letter T?
4 days of the week, I start with T.
Yeah. You know none of them?
Repeat the question.
Alright,
You know the days of the week?
yes.
Alright, why you tell me 4 days of the week will start with T?
Thursday and Tuesday.
Thursday and Tuesday.
And 4 of them more.
4 days of the week. We'll start with the
Letter T.
T. Tuesday. Thursday.
A 2 times a Thursday or
Gucci trick. Repeat.
why you tell me 4 days of the week will start with T?
4 days of the week. That starts with T.
Yeah. Yes, I look over upon the dog, so I come in, bro. I'm T JT.
Now Thursday,
Yeah.
Tuesday,
Yeah.
4 days of the week.
do something like that.
Why you name 4 days out of the week? We start with the letter T.
Start with T.
Yeah.
But a week.
Out of the week. The 4 days them in the week, we start with the letter T.
Na Tuesday.
Yeah.
Nothing else today.
Why you tell me 4 days of the week we start with T?
4 days a week we start with T.
Yeah, the letter T. Name them out now.
We start with T, right?
Yeah, them start with T.
4.
4. Ready?
A Tuesday and Thursday.
Tuesday, Thursday. And what else?
We start with T.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch him. I know this I answer, I just name them all.
Name them
You
out.
have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah. And why you give me 4 of them will start with T?
A trick question this.
Really, nigga?
No, it was at 12 one in there. 1 month after this.
Oh, yeah.
Saturday.
Wait. Tuesday, Thursday.
Listen.
Today and tomorrow.
Thursday and Tuesday.
No, we have more. Saturday.
You have Tuesday. 3 days of the week.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And what else?
Saturday start with T. Why you name 4 days of the week we start with the letter T? We say Monday?
No, I'm never say Monday. So me say Monday. Don't tell them lie upon me.
Oh, sorry, hold on.
Thursday. Sunday.
Sunday?
You have teen day.
Sunday.
No,
Sunday have teen
Saturday.
day.
Sorry. Saturday.
Sunday or Saturday? Which one?
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
That start with the letter T.
You say have teen night. You
No.
don't know what you say.
I want you to name 4 days of the week. We'll start with the letter T.
Listen to the question one more time. Name 4 days of the week. We start with the letter T.
Yeah.
Tuesday and Thursday. What else? To today and tomorrow. The 4 days them out of the week we start with the letter T.
Me here today and tomorrow. Today, tomorrow.
Today, tomorrow.
Tuesday, Thursday.
Tuesday, Thursday. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I eat that.
Thursday, Tuesday. Start with the letter T, you say?
Yeah.
Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday.
Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay.
And what you do?
No.
Oh.
Right. Today, tomorrow, Tuesday, Thursday.
4 days a week. Tuesday. Thursday. Help me now, girl. You tell them yourself.
And 2 of them.
4. Where you get 4 from?
Yeah, you know the other 2?
No, the other 2 that did it.
More 4 days of the week we start with T.
But I only 2 today. Where I get 4 from?
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You give up?
Me certain.
You give up?
Me not give up, me certain.
What you say?
Me no know.
No
4 days a week we start with.
We start with T. 4 days of the week we start with T.
1, 2. Me no know, me give up.
Tuesday, Thursday, today,
And tomorrow.
Oh,
Tuesday and Thursday.
Thursday. Tomorrow. Tuesday, Thursday, tomorrow. I win.
Answer 30 good. Answer 30.
Yo, pay attention.
A Tuesday and Thursday alone me here now.
Tomorrow, Tomorrow.
One more.
And today, yeah.
A 4 of them there, man.
4.
Yeah.
So if me say Tuesday and Thursday 2 times, I correct.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Alright, last one. Let's say you have a brother named John and he's working at a meat shop. The thing is, John is 3 feet tall, but he wears size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
Say it again.
Alright, let's say you have a brother named John and John works at a meat shop. The thing is, John is 3 feet tall, but he wears size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh? You know that one there?
Yes, 15.
Where you going?
15. 15.
15?
Mm-hmm.
Where you get that?
Wait. How much I say in size? How much inside
Listen to
food?
the question again. Let's say you have a brother named John who works at a meat shop.
Yeah.
The thing is, John is only 3 feet tall and he wears size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
What?
You have a brother named John who works at a meat shop. But the thing is, John is only 3 feet tall, so him little so. But him wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh? Let's say I have a brother named John and he works at a meat shop. But the thing is, John is only 3 feet tall, but he wears size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
And we are
3 feet tall, size 8 in her shoes. That means anyway about 3 pounds.
3 pounds?
Or something like that.
Remember, say him 3 foot tall, you know, and he wears size 8.
3. Final answer 3 pounds.
3 pounds?
Or 3.5.
3.5? Not wrong. Me I give you one more chance. Listen to the question again. You have a brother named John and him working at a meat shop. But the thing is, John is 3 feet tall. So him short so.
yeah, listen.
And him wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
You are 3 feet tall and you wear size 8 in that shoe. 3 and 8 how much?
Let's say you have a brother named John and him working at a meat shop. But John is 3 feet tall and he wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
Level.
You have a brother named John who working at the meat shop. But the thing is, John is only 3 feet tall and him wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
3 feet tall.
You no good na maths? You know 3 times 8.
3 times 8 are 24.
You smart.
3
You wear 11 pounds.
11 pound?
Yeah.
No, me not feel like that. Me not feel like that.
Then what then?
3 feet tall, and you wear size 8 in a shoe. Me no know. Me no know.
I'm 11 pound.
11 pound? How you get that?
Cause 8 plus 3 no 11.
8 plus 3 11.
Yeah.
8 plus
You want to try
3,
again?
but
I know 11, you know.
Do you know what? If you answer back a question,
24. So 24.
super.
Alright, you have a brother named John and he work around at the meat shop. But John is 3 feet tall. But he wears size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
15 pound.
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying, how? Like, talk to me, bro.
So him weigh 24 pound.
No.
Wait, 38. 38. Yeah. John weigh 38 pound.
How you get that?
Me no know.
You have a brother named John and he work around at the meat shop. But John is only 3 feet tall. And he wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh? Repeat that. You have a brother John who work around at the meat shop. But him 3 feet tall. So him little so. But him wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
Meat. That easy, man. That easy, man.
That easy. Them a bust them brain. Level?
Yeah. Level. Level.
John wear meat. Him work around at the meat shop. Him wear meat. Let's say I have a brother named John and him work around at the meat shop. The thing is, John is only 3 feet tall, so him little so. But he wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
Meat. No meat here.
You're smart, yeah. You're smart, you.
So that 2 we get.
Let's say I have a brother named John and him work around at the meat shop. The thing is, John is only 3 feet tall, but he wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
Where we are?
Yeah.
Meat.
Yeah, you get the last one there. You get 2 out of 3. If you have a brother named John who work around at the meat shop. But the thing is, John is only 3 feet tall. So him both short so. And him wear size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
What you say? Come again, what you say? Meat. Meat shop in work though. Meat shop you say work.
Guys, look who I saw again in May Pen.
Don't post that thing or don't post that.
To
Which
be
one?
honest, me too force this.
YouTube. We're back in our place again. Rain a fall, sun a shine. We have to day in our place, no matter what. We are going to our video every Sunday. Episode 8. Episode 8. 1 TK the black of the camera. See Instagram over here so. See TikTok over here so. We're going to go follow my dog. Get him page active. Right now, we're in a May Pen town once again. We are going out and see if we can find the brightest set of people. And we are going to give her 5 grand. We are going to give her 5 grand today. TK, where you say we active? Which way we are going? Left or right? I don't even know where we are going at that. Forward. Alright, so we're there with the brightest girl in a May Pen. Mia says she passed one heap of subject already.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Alright, so we're here with the brightest girl in May Pen right now. I just want you to introduce yourself.
My name is Tori. Brandon.
Gio.
Kevin.
Short boss.
Jay.
Kissy that underscore them. Pangram Kissy that underscore overdose for TikTok.
No, 117 double pan up.
My name Brittany. One Brittany Fanny up.
First question. What is WAR? Use the mic.
War.
What is MED?
MED.
Yeah, no MED.
Yeah, me know MED.
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, made
Hold up. Wait a minute.
something like so.
Made?
No, and I made, but yeah. Wait, me nervous, me not.
Come in again. What is WAR?
War.
Use the mic.
WAR is war.
What is MED?
Med.
Put the two words together, where you get? Put the two words together, where you get?
Sir, you have to give me my pen.
5 seconds.
Me not know.
3, 2. You know war I made?
You got me where you just have to say that it's not really funny. You just can't.
What is WAR?
WAR.
Yeah.
What? WAR.
Yeah.
War.
What is MED?
MED.
Yeah.
Med.
Put them together, where you get?
WAR. MED.
You don't know?
War med.
Got him.
War made.
WAR.
Yeah.
MED. War med. So what kind of word that?
War made.
War med.
You never seen that word there before?
Nah, sir.
Never hear that word there?
WAR.
Yeah.
MED.
Yeah.
War med.
War made.
We don't know what the word. What kind of word that?
You just make it up, I don't know that word there.
But no word no pronounce, sir.
If something no cool, it what?
Warm.
How you spell warmed?
WARM.
Do. Warmed.
ED.
So what that?
Warmed.
So you say warmed.
Nah, man, my name.
I don't understand you. What is WAR?
WAR war.
What is MED?
MED. You know what I say? What am I say now? Me not so smart, you know.
A 3-letter word.
Me not know, you know.
You know MED? Spell it out.
MED.
Pronounce it.
Med.
Med.
Yeah.
So you don't know it, then come in again from top. What is WAR?
War.
What is MED?
Med.
Put the two words together, where you get?
War med. War med. Boom, me right. Whoa, you.
You say war med.
Something like that.
The word is warmed.
So we are. Alright, belly.
What is WAR?
War.
So you take excellent for answer.
No, because we have to think first. We have to think.
Come in again. What is WAR?
War.
What is MED?
Mid.
Mid? You say mid?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. No, Manaricalism.
What?
MED? MED what?
No.
Come in again now.
No, give me an next.
I'm mid.
Give me
May
an next.
I tell you the answer? I'm mid. Come in again. You ready?
Yeah,
May I ask you again? What is WAR?
War.
What is MED?
Mid.
Put the two words together. Where you get?
War
Warmed. Warmed. What is WAR? WAR. What is MED? Put the two words together. Where you get?
Warmed.
Them youth are bright. Them bright. Second question. If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
She my cousin.
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying, how? Like, talk to me, bro.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
If my uncle sister
is not my aunt.
Who is she to you?
My step aunt.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
If my uncle, sister, and my aunt,
Yeah.
who is she to me?
Yeah.
Yo, this a jack crowd, you know that.
I say if you have a think about it, answer good. Come in.
If my uncle, sister,
Yeah.
and my aunt,
Yeah.
who is she to me then?
Yeah.
Oh, my cousin.
Oh my god! Wow! If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
My uncle's sister is not my aunt.
Yeah. She a what to you?
Cousin.
Cousin?
Why God? Cousin.
Cousin, you say? That wrong, you know.
Oh.
Make you one more chance. If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
Me don't know.
You don't know. Think about it, man.
Repeat the question.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you? If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you? Right, you know. Yes, sir. Cousin. That wrong.
Repeat the question.
If your uncle sister is not your aunt, who is she to you? Your uncle sister. Yeah, say something, you know. What you want to say?
Your aunt.
Your aunt.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you, say she's not your aunt. If your uncle's sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
My uncle's sister. So the man of my uncle,
Yeah.
but his sister,
I know your auntie.
and my auntie.
She a what to you?
She don't me nothing then.
Something ain't right.
If your uncle's sister is not your aunt, who is she to you?
My granny.
Uncle, sister, and my aunt. So what is she to you?
Yeah. We don't learn family tree and everything
Yeah,
there.
probably step auntie.
Step auntie.
Yeah.
So you say your uncle there with him sister. For Tony me step and away I try. I don't understand.
No. Because of what? Because of mother.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Your granny.
After you? Right?
That wrong.
Damn.
Uncle, sister, and my aunt,
Yeah.
who is she? Uncle, sister. I don't know about the family, you know that.
Yeah, you know about your family.
Alright.
Yeah, you know your mother.
Yeah, I know my mother.
So if your uncle have a sister and she know your aunt, she a what then?
She my mother.
Yeah. So you got a cousin. Last question. If farmer A sells apples and farmer B sells bananas, what does farmer C sells?
Jesus Christ. Cantaloupe.
No.
If farmer A sells apples, farmer B sells banana, what does farmer C sells?
What?
Corn. Corn.
What?
Corn. Corn.
What?
Corn.
If farmer A sells apples and farmer B sells banana, what does farmer C sells?
Corn.
Corn.
Yeah, look so.
Him say corn.
Yeah, say that wrong.
That wrong.
So I answer.
You know what farmer C sells?
Cow.
Cow.
Yeah, cow.
Yeah, I'm general.
Cow.
That wrong. Farmer A sells apples.
Yes.
Farmer B sells banana. What does farmer C sells? Farmer C no sell nothing.
Jailer, just shut up.
Where tell him shut up for? Wrong. If farmer A sells apples, farmer B sells banana. What does farmer C sells? Orange.
Right?
Orange.
Right?
Remember say farmer A sells apple and B sells banana. Orange. Wrong. Answer is medicine. Cantaloupe.
Just let me get the 5 grand now. Belly.
But you don't get none right.
Apple. A apple and B a banana. So C have to be one.
Can a fruit? Can A apple, banana. What fruit better with C?
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe?
Or cranberry.
And a vegetable that?
No, cantaloupe or melon.
A melon.
Yeah.
Cranberry. I made this other answer. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Pharmacy sells medicines. Yo! Jano, the rain a fall, the rain a tear. Then we said Starmer come. My name believe them. I'm out here do video for Uno. In the rain, me there do video for Uno. Look on the place. Nobody know want to stop and do the interview. We have cut that video short. Remember follow 1TK, never 2. On the Instagram, on the YouTube. It's up on the screen right now. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Which one we are going next? Wolaba, Spain Town, Westmoreland and Carway now, Surridge. I cut me a cut you now, Carrier not here. TK forward.